there's a lot of music that's out right now, but the shit it ain't life. It ain't like you hearing it and it's like moving you. You know, music is, and the music you making is life. And it's like new life. It's important for me to understand the state of mind and the life you live and where you're at right now.
Pull up like surprise is the president. Can't you see that guy in my element? I might just decide to slide on my enemies. I go along on a glide for the hell of it. I bring a different vibe when I'm stepping in. If a nigga ain't right, I'm correcting it. Everybody know for sure I'ma take it there. So cross your T's and dot your I's when you're messaging. I never subscribe to guys on the internet. Living for the clouds and them lies to the press again. But I don't take me for the fool, I ain't never been. Don't bother with lies, I'm wise when I'm checking them. I'm redirecting them back to the sentiment. Then you go see reality, go start arresting them. Feel I see them don't get when I'm standing there. With life, real, I ain't living like the rest of them.
Yes, we are blessed, but it's harder to see sometimes. Trying to find my peace of mind. You said, how could you be so blind, baby? You just follow your dreams and live your life. I'll give you something to believe in. I'ma be the reason, so please stay. Say you won't leave. Real life is for living, but the price you been giving is not cheap. So please stay. Share the whole fee. Real life is for living, you just
I wonder which style them guys them go trying out. Live on and never hear my story, make you find out. I know say nobody is an island, but if them won't fuck you on yash, make you no lie down. And I know you feel it, you realize but the way you done them move, I know they like that. Somebody want to wear the shoe and no size They have a destiny's child, a survivor. Real no be China, from your love been a guy. And nothing I ever said if I've been alive. Anytime you see me look up in the sky, I can see the daylight in the night. When you see a soldier smile, it's a good sign. That's the way it is in the south side. I know gonna let you slide, no not this time. But now I'm tryna rap, I got good time. Goodbye.